Hello everyone. Now I am going to show 3-in-1 charging cable premium edition from Merlin. Let me show you how it look like. This is the cable. It has 3-in-1 adapter with micro USB, lightning, and also USB-C. It's quick sub adapter. You can use for any of your portable device. You can plug like this. This is a nylon cable, 1 meter long cable. You can use for your mobile phones, tablets, MP3 player, or any other compatible devices you can use. If you guys like to buy this cable online, check the link below. For more videos, check my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone.